Still want to get funded in 2025? Watch this before you buy another prop firm challenge. Let's be honest, you probably want to get funded, and I don't blame you, and I completely understand. I have made hundreds of thousands trading these markets, and a big chunk of that came out of the prop firms. But if you want to get funded this year and actually stay funded, listen up, because I'm breaking down 3 real steps you need to follow. No hype, just facts. And if you are serious about becoming a consistent trader, hit the like, subscribe, and check the link below to join Trading Hunters Discord, where you can meet a lot of same-minded traders with the same goals. Let's get real. Some prop firms don't want you to win. They profit when you lose. Big payouts, pass in 1 day, start with 200k. It's all marketing, all pressure traps. But here's the truth. The real enemy is you. Nobody forces you to join a prop firm, and it's only your decision. So treat it as a tool, not a shortcut. Freedom doesn't come from the firm. It comes from your skill. Master your edge first. CLS, SMC, ICT, moving averages, whatever it is, but master it. So here it is. Step 1, find a profitable strategy. Free or paid one, doesn't matter. Just go all in. For me, it was a CLS, following the market makers and trading mechanically based on the liquidity purges and the Fibonacci pullbacks. That's what I teach in the Trading Hunters. And if you really want to make it, you need to watch the content, make the notes, study setups, backtest at least 100 trades, and build your confidence, not chasing the payouts. Step 2. Journal everything. Write down what worked, what didn't, track the entries, exits, and the emotions. You can't improve what you don't track. And trust me, this was the most important thing that changed my trading career. I can only be pissed off to myself that I didn't start journaling years and years ago. Step 3. Trade live. Small personal account or the demo, whatever helps you to stay disciplined. Test in the real time before risking the challenge's fees. And don't go for the prop firm challenge until you feel comfortable and consistent. Not consistent in the trading, but consistent in the process. Doing the right things, following the trading plan, and good risk management. Without it, don't go for the prop firm yet. Now, when you are profitable, consistent, you're following the process, you have the trading plan, it's time to think strategically. You need to decide if you will go conservatively, moderate, or aggressive approach. As a conservative trader, you will go low risk, you will have slow progress, you will also survive, but it will take you so much time and you want growth. If you go with the moderate risk between the 0.25 to 0.5%, it's consistent growth, and I can suggest you this is the most suitable for the most, because you're not going too slow and you're not going too aggressive. But it also takes some time and needs patience. And then you have aggressive approach with the 1 to 2% risk per trade. Obviously, you can pass faster, but also you will have a higher failure ratio. But also be careful, because prop firms are cracking down on the gamblers. They don't like those gamblers who passing with the one trade, and especially they don't like to pay such as speculants. Okay, so here is the formula and my advice what to do. Take the number of the trades you do per week, divide that number by 5%, and it's going to be your risk per trade. So for example, you do 10 trades per week. You divide it by 5% and you're gonna get 0.5 risk per trade, which is the most optimal risk per trade. And if you're going to the drawdown, you can decrease it. And if you are in the profit, you can increase it to pass faster. And now here is the last tip and the most important: choose the right account size. If the 200K account equals 5 months of your savings, don't do it because the pressure will kill your edge. So start slowly and then you can add into your capital under the management. But I suggest you don't do the same mistake as I did when I started with the prop firm. I was thinking that I got a lot of experiences from the trading because made a lot of money. It's all alright, but what I did, I had the big eyes and I bought too many challenges. In the total funding, 1 million, and I was trading them all at the same time. And you can imagine how it ended up. I was trading too conservatively, I was stuck for too long in these challenges, and in the end, it didn't end up well. So again, go with the smaller accounts and add more and more, because you're gonna have a less stress, more consistent performance. And don't judge your progress by the account of your size, but judge it by your execution, payouts, and consistent growth. And I guarantee you, if you follow these 3 steps, you will master your strategy and you will get funded this year. But more importantly, you will become a consistent. Okay guys, comment your biggest takeaway from this video and drop the fire emoji, and I will randomly give away a prop firm account to the one of you during the next month. So let's get funded, let's get paid, and let's become a trading hunters. See you next time.